Hi. This is something else that came in the mail for me for Christmas. This was called the I love it. Yes, I love it. And I love it can be used, this little case can be used for like your makeup, your change. You could probably even put your cell phone in it. Or you can just keep what came in it. In it. I'm Celeste of Celestial Hair Innovations. I am a Monat market partner. I'm also a licensed cosmetologist, the owner of Celestial Hair Innovations, and I've been a market partner for over a year now. The end of March will make 2 years, and it's been a phenomenal ride. Um, so the time that I'm opening this is December 2019, and this is something we had for Christmas. My other things I did on Facebook Live, the hot brush, the flat iron, the wooden brush, the ceramic wands. I did those live on Facebook, but this one I'm doing as a video. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And so this is well, we already had this. This is a lash and brow enhancer serum, and this is what it looks like. This little I Love It kit came with actually two of these. It was a phenomenal deal. It was one of the first, if not the first things to sell out. So what you do is you put a little of the serum. This is totally vegan. It's totally toxic free. It won't give your eyes any side effects. Your skin won't change any pigment, as I've heard with other things. This is ophthalmologist and tested for sensitive eyes. And as a matter of fact, we test our products on the most sensitive to make sure that it's okay and it's safe. Okay, so you just take a little dab twice a day in the morning, rub it, and just rub it lightly. And then you do the lash, or whichever one you want to do. You can do the eyebrow only, or you can do the lash only. And it has our great Rejuvenate oil is even in this serum. So it's literally a treatment in a little bottle. As a matter of fact, if you have this oil, this Rejuvenate oil, or you want to know how to get it, reach out to me, 678-887-3539. And we have this right here all the time. But with this little set, it was a holiday set. And right now it's sold out. But I did want to tell you about it anyway. But you can get the lash and brow enhancer year round. It's not a holiday thing, but the special was a holiday bonus. And then guess what else came? This cute, awesome eyebrow curler, which I'm not gonna need it for my eyelashes, but I'll find some kind of way to use it. Cause look, my eyelashes are already